Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and give you guys an update. We have the cooler box already set up. You can see right here. That's the cooler box. We got the floors. We've also hung the evaporator coil there, and guys are working outside. And you got the condenser coil there. Got the hole up in the wall. All our supplies here. ABC Austin Service Express, heating, cooling, refrigeration. 512-448-0532. Residential and commercial. Call us for all your AC refrigeration needs, okay? See you guys in the next video. Thanks, bye-bye.